we are going to talk about, should we talk about basic proportionality theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम, इसको राइट, बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम और बीपीटी, राइट. What it is saying, if there is a triangle ABC, this is triangle ABC, and a lines DE. If a line DE, this is D, this is E. So line DE, line parallel to one side of a triangle intersect other two sides in same ratio, right? It means AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE, right? This is line parallel to one side of a triangle intersects other two sides in same ratio, right? This is this is BPT theorem. Now converse of BPT theorem is, should I rub?
Yes.
Converse of BPT, वहां पे क्या है? If a triangle A B C and a line DE, line intersects two sides of a line intersects two sides of a triangle in same ratio then parallel to third side. What is written in your book? Is it written third side? मतलब if AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE,
Yes.
Then DE is parallel to BC. This is this is converse of BPD. Hmm? Okay. Should I write down?
Yes.
Okay. Now question number 12. Question number 12, part B. Right? What is that? There is a triangle. There is a base. We draw the base. This is the base, Base of triangle AC. Right? And there is a triangle. There is a side parallel to this. Goes like this. Right? And this is F. This is D. Right? This is B and this is E. Getting? So how you will solve this? It is given you. This is 7.5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is Y. This is also parallel. So and it is X. And this is 4.5 centimeter. Right? So what do you do? As AF is parallel to CD. AF is parallel to CD and AD is transversal. AD is transversal. AD is transversal. Then angle FAD is equal to angle FAE लो अच्छा नहीं FAD is equal to angle CDA. They are alternate interior angles, right? Now angle FAD is equal to angle FAE and angle CDA is equal to angle CDE. They are same angles. They are same angles. So angle FAE is equal to angle CDE, right? ये दोनों, these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal because they are same to this. FAT and CDA are equal, so they will also equal FAE, right? Okay. So, and this angle is this and this, they are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite, right? So in triangle FAE and triangle CDE, angle FAE is equal to angle CDE proved above. Proved above. And angle FEA is equal to angle DEC. Vertically opposite. So by AA similarity criteria, triangle FAE is similar to triangle CDE, right? This angle is equal to this angle, so opposite to this is FE, right? So FE is equal to upon CE is equal to, opposite to this is, first we have taken FE, na? So this is AF upon CD is equal to, when this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this, then this angle will be equal to this, right? So opposite to this is AE, so we can write here AE is AE upon DE, right? If we take in consideration this, so we get AF is how much? AF is 7.5. This is 7.5 upon 4.5 is equal to AE. AE is Y. This. So Y upon this is 3, right? So when you divide, this is cancel out, decimals are removed, and this is 3 times 15 becomes 45. So we get 15 here, and 5 times 15 becomes 75. So we get 5. So y is equal to 5 centimeter. Getting? Y is 5 centimeter. Y is 5 centimeter. Okay. So this is the first part we have. No, it is the same in this. So how we get the x? Do you understand this much? How we get y? Should I rub this? Because the space is less. So I'm bound to do that. So now in triangle ACD, ACD, right? And triangle ABE, triangle ABE. This angle and this angle, angle ABE is equal to angle, I should write ACD. First I should write ACD is equal to angle ABE. Corresponding angle. Same side of parallel lines BE parallel to CD, right? And angle A is equal to angle A common is common. So again by AA similarity criteria, triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABE, right? Then what happens? C के opposite AD. So we can write AD upon AE is equal to AC upon AB. AC upon AB, because if this is equal, this is common, and then they will also equal. They are also corresponding angles, right?
AC upon AC.
No, AC upon AB. AC upon AB is equal to CD upon BE, right? This time we will take these as a common, these as a equal. So we write here AD upon AE is equal to CD upon BE, right? So how much you will get? AD is how much? This is Y. How we get Y? 9, है ना? So 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 upon AE. How much is AE? 9 is equal to CD 4.5 upon BE is equal to X. So this becomes 12 upon 9. 4 times 3, 4 times 3 becomes 12. 3 times 3 becomes 9. So it is how much? So you get X is equal to 4.5 into 3 upon 4, right? तो कितना हो गया? 5 times 17.5 by 4. So it is 4.3. 4.375 centimeter. This is the value of X. So X is equal to 4.375. What is your answer for X?
Upon 13 upon 16.
Y is equal to
5.
हाँ?
5. सही.
मैंने 5 निकाला था नहीं क्या?
Yes, sir.
Then I wrote wrong here and this is wrong, then whole calculation goes wrong, because I have taken 9. I remembered that y is equal to 9, but if you are saying it is 5, how we get 5? .5 upon 4.5 is equal to y upon 3. Okay, yes, this is 50 and 50 becomes 5. So y is equal to 5 centimeter. So when we take 5, when y becomes 5, so 5 plus 3 becomes 5 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 4.9, right? So this is, we get x is equal to
4.5 into 5 upon 8.
hmm,
4.5 into 5 upon 8.
4.5 into 5 upon 8. So if we multiplied here by 2 and here by 2, so x is equal to 10. 45 by 16, right? So x is equal to 2 times 16 becomes 32. 32 minus 45 is 13. 13 whole 16 centimeter. So we get x is equal to 2 whole 13 upon 16 centimeter. You get this? This is correct, na? This is how we have to solve this question number. I have taken wrong value of y. It is 5, I have taken 9. So because of that mesh created. Right? So now this is 12b, which is now, which you